Today we will explore utility expense tracker dashboard from Tableau Public. We will see how we can build vertical bar chart with horizontal reference lines to showcase previous year's trend to compare with current year's values. This chart type is mostly used in most of the charts within this dashboard. Along with this, we will see how we can showcase comparison of current year values to previous years with this visualization, and most importantly, how you can set up and change of layout from desktop to mobile by using custom layout options for smartphone resolution. Let's download the workbook. I have downloaded the Tableau Public workbook for our reference. Let's see how one of this chart is being created. Let's change the formatting of this workbook to black to see things clearer. This is simple dual axis chart in which one mark is bar chart and other one is Gantt bar chart. The Gantt chart is showcasing the previous 12 months values spread out for months. There is selected month year parameter which will act as pivot from which previous 12-month calculation will be considered. The current selected month here is June 2025, and this parameter will be automatically updated using billing month field from the data for the user to select from the list. Let's check how to achieve the current and previous month's values to showcase on individual mark type. For bar chart, we are showcasing the amount of current 12-month value. Let's open the calculated field. Month index calculated field is being used to define the 12-month window, and then amount is being calculated and aggregated in the chart itself. Let's check what that month index is. Based on selected month year parameter, we are comparing the position of billing month in each record of the data, and if that record falls under the 12-month window from the selected month or not. Now let's come back to the current 12-month value calculation, where we are only allowing previous 12 months from selected month year parameter and calculate that amount and aggregate on the bar chart. Let's see how to calculate previous 12 months value for our Gantt charts. We are using same month index calculations to get the previous year's values and aggregating the amount on the Gantt chart itself. In this similar manner, all other bar and Gantt charts are created. Let's see how we can rearrange these same worksheets to fit into smartphone layout. The navigation action to the smartphone layout will be provided with the help of this button, which will bring us to the second dashboard we have created within the same workbook. There is an auto-generated device layouts available within Tableau to select either desktop, tablet or phone, but I find this layout much more usable and interactive as we have natural scrolls adjusted to the vertical height of the smartphone. When you scroll on right side, you will always have this whole picture on your screen vertically. In this manner, you will have multiple vertical layouts placed one beside other so that it is very easy to read the information. It's important to set the height around 1000 pixels as that will give the natural height to the vertical orientation of our smartphones. Thank you for watching.